How to remove suggested messages on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how to remove suggested messages on Instagram. Now if you have a business account, then you'll probably see suggested messages. So in order to turn it off or to remove this, first of all update your application and then log in into your Instagram account. Now in my case, this is how the interface is going to look like. Right on this page, you'll be able to see this profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on the profile icon, go ahead and tap on the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner. While you're on this page, go to settings and privacy. So after that, go to business tools and control. Once you're on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see response suggested. If you want to remove this, then you need to toggle the button and turn it off. Similarly, if you also want to turn off your frequently asked question, or if you want to customize it, you can just go ahead and type in whatever you want and tap the tick button right on top, and that's basically how you've removed suggested messages on Instagram. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.